Hi. Today's New Year's Day, still before lunchtime. So I thought I'd head over to the range, do some shooting with one of my favorite guns. My 18.5-inch Ithaca flues with the 45 Colt 18-inch inserts in it. So we're going to shoot at 25 yards with some of my reloads, 7 grains of unique in there, Winchester primer, 250 grain lead round nose. So let's get at this so it doesn't, this video don't get too long, but we are going to be shooting at that brown target stapled to the big white target down there, and take a few shots and go down and see what we end up with. Kind of hard regulating both barrels, but we'll see how it goes. Can't see it, but we'll oh, I gotta open it. We're gonna check it out. We'll shoot 2 more. We're out here. Well, that's not too bad. I really don't know where the one barrel's hit. Let me see what we can do here. I'm going to rotate this one. Sometimes that helps. It's cold out here today. Do a little rotation, see if it helps. I gotta oil this thing up. Let's get out there and take a look. I really can't see where we're at, what we're doing. It's a cold day today. Fall down this damn bank. What did I shoot? 8 of them. Shot 8 of them. Here goes the, I can't see where I'm pointing this, but here goes the, that's all the right barrel. The left barrel's over here. Oh, there's the other one there. Right there. This thing shot better before. I don't know, I'm gonna take a look at that. See what's going on. You see, got some snow last night. Get up this hill without killing myself. Take a few more shots. See what we can do. See what we got here. It's a squeaky chair. They're hitting in the same spot. Well, we'll work on that. I got a couple more boxes to shoot. Just thought I'd share with you what I was doing New Year's Day. You have a nice New Year's also. And as always, thanks for watching the video.